So hello everyone. So welcome to this new lecture on Euclid division algorithm. So this is a short Euclid division algorithm. So in exam the question will be like, use Euclid division algorithm to find HCF of these two numbers. Okay. This one is the example of type 1. Okay. You must remember this one. If in exam Euclid division algorithm problem come, then start the problem from the left hand side of it copy. If you start from the middle or right hand side, you will face lack of space for solving this problem. Okay. So what you will do in this sum? So first you will write here this one is greater than this one. Okay. So after writing this one, then you will write using Euclid division lemma, or from Euclid division lemma we know 1 2 5 7 6 is equal to 4 0 5 2 into 3 plus 4 20. Okay, I am showing you how will you write this one in school exam or board exam. Okay, so I am showing this way style. So after from Euclid division lemma we know this one, then you will write here remainder not equal is equal to 420 not equal to 0. Then you will write again from Euclid division lemma, then you will write from step 2. Again from Euclid division lemma you will write the step 3. Then you will write since remainder equal to this one not equal to 0, then again next step, and again next step. Continue this process until the remainder comes 0. So if you write the last step like from, let me write from the second last step, from Euclid division lemma, from this one 124 is equal to 24 into 5 plus 4. Okay, so 124 is 24 into 5 plus 4. Here remainder is equal to 4 not equal to 0. So after writing this one, so you will write again from Euclid division lemma, then you will write 24. So we are going to use this one. So 24 is equal to 4 into 6 plus 0. Here remainder is equal to 0. So the process stops. Okay, so after writing this one, so the process stop, then you will write HCF of this and this is equal to 4. Okay, so you have to write this one, so the process stops. Okay, by showing remainder is equal to 0, the process stops. So yeah, these two lines are the most important lines of this problem. Okay, many of you are thinking they have told to use Euclid division algorithm and you are using Euclid division lemma. So what is the main fact? Actually, Euclid division algorithm is a special form, or actually the Euclid division lemma and Euclid division algorithm are interconnected. Okay, for solving Euclid division algorithm you need Euclid division lemma. Okay, and this division will come from Euclid division lemma. So using Euclid division lemma we will solve Euclid division algorithm problem. Okay, so these are sample problem of type 1, and in type 2 there will be 3 there will be 3 given positive integer. From that, let's say here 4 is the HCF, and let's say they have given 149 as third number. Okay, then you will find the HCF of 4 and 149 in the same procedure. Okay, after doing it, at some place it will come as remainder is equal to 0. That one will be the HCF of all the 3 numbers. Okay, so I am going to show about the type 3 one, that is linear combination. But in especially board exam, both ICSE and CBSE, they are not giving this one in board exam, or they give it in broader question. But in short question type, many questions come from this chapter from from the concept of factor, multiples, then HCF, LCM, and various combinations. If you see the about 10 years sample paper and all, there are many problems related, not related to this one, but concepts similar to this one, using fundamental theorem, arithmetic, then HCF, LCM, and so on. Okay, so actually you have learned that one in class 9 and class 8, but actually they are giving problems in board exam from that one. Okay, so I'm going to give some, I think 2 or 3 details lecture on that topics. Okay, and I will going to solve various problems from NCERT and various other books. Okay.